We're solving problem 7 from the Amc 10B from 2020. How many positive even multiples of 3 less than 2020 are perfect squares? Well, our perfect squares, let's just talk about even multiples of 3. It's like when 3 is being multiplied by an even number, like 2, and is raised to some power. We want it in squares, so let's just do this. If this is going to be 36, now this is going to be 6 squared, but this is also technically 6 times 1 squared because there's positive even multiples of 3. So this is really just 6 times 1 squared is 36. Now, this is another way to count it. So by raising this 1 to a 2 and increasing it every time until we reach a value that is greater than 2020, that's when that is capped and we can use the last number. So 6 times 2 squared is nowhere even near 2020. 6 times 3 squared, still not even close. 6 times 4 squared, 6 times 5 squared. And you can, well, this is pretty easy to approximate. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 squared is going to be 900. 6 times 6 squared. This is getting pretty close because this is 36, which is about 40. So this is about 1600, a bit less than that. So 6 times 7 squared. And this is not like much from 40 than this one. So let's just do 6 times 8 squared. What is 6 times 8? That's 48. 48 squared. That's about 50 squared. And we know that 50 squared is equal to 500. Even though that 48 squared is not really that, it's not exactly 50 squared. 50 squared is like a lot more than 2020. So therefore, we can infer that 6 times 8 squared is going to be more than 2020. So this case is not going to work. And from 7 down to 1, that's going to be our answers. How much numbers are there? That's 7. So that's going to be our answer.